Hello everyone. So today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to set up the DHCP server to our virtual machine. So firstly, we're going to the server manager. We're going to select add roles and then click next and go to the DHCP server and click next, next, next again. So going to click next, next. Then we're going to click add. For the scope name, we're going to name it 2008 scope. And then for the starting IP address is 192.168.0.100. And for the ending IP address, it would be 192.168.0.200. For the subnet mask, it's already default. And for the default gateway, which is optional, we're just going to put 192.168.0.1. And we're going to click OK, next, and next. We're going to click the use the current credentials. Going to click next and install, and we're just going to wait for it to install. Features were installed successfully. I'm going to click close and then close, and we're just going to restart our VMware to apply the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.